How much I withdrew on Brown app. That's the video I thought I'll be coming to do today, but unfortunately it is not going to be. Today is the 17th day of December 2024. Hi guys, hi Pioms, that's the name I'm calling you guys. If you registered on Brown app through any of my videos, just come and sit down in this video because we have family meeting. Let's discuss. Before we go on, please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. So sometime last month, I told you guys that something was trending on TikTok, and because the way everybody was talking about it, I said, okay, let me come and explain it to you people, because it was just trending anyway. So I told you people in the videos that I did that don't put your mind on this thing. No, I want to confirm for myself whether it is a lie or not, and I'm doing my own experiments. Everything people have been saying is what they've been saying. Me, I'm coming to tell you my own experience. So I did different videos. Anyway, when I did the videos, they said I made a mistake. So they brought up a prompt and said, oh, if you want to double your money for 1 week, I don't know, in the middle of the night, I just doubled it, and then I said I had to wait for like a month instead of 14 days. So I've been waiting since that last month. So we have entered December. So at that time, a lot of people were having issues with withdrawing. So I thought that because they were using OPay, because on the Brown app, you know, their money is in dollars. So I was like, how are you going to receive money on OPay? Because initially when I saw that, oh, you could receive money on OPay, I even did a video on how you can withdraw money using OPay. But on a second thought, I now thought about it that no, dollar to dollar, you have to use either a domiciliary account, a virtual account. You cannot use a Naira account to receive dollar. So I was like, something is fishy. So I did a series of other videos where I said use Bitcoin instead of using OPay if you are based in Nigeria or any African country. I'm going to put a link to all the videos that I've done so that you can actually see the things that I said. Okay, anyway, this is 1 month after. I have waited for the payment. I did not see. I put my Bitcoin wallet, everything, so that it will be easy. I did not see money. And they've been saying on their site that all payments for so dates has been paid. And I've had payments since 11th of so you know, on their side they'll put announcements, they'll put the date for each day. All withdrawals today have been paid successfully. And in my cash out withdrawal history, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 withdrawals, okay, that has not come. The first date was 11th December 2024. So today is 17th of December. All the payments since that time I have not seen. Okay, so based on this, I'm coming out to say that it is a scam. I actually did another video for another site that is similar to this Brown app that they, is also video rebate. Those ones, at least they were truthful. They say you should pay, was it $30 to be able to withdraw your money that is inside. I did a live stream where I talked about it, easy end. They say you pay $30 for you to be able to withdraw your money, and in that live stream I was like, why do I need to pay another money outside your platform? Why don't you deduct the money from the money that people have generated inside your platform? Do you understand? To tell you that there's a lot of 419 inside the thing. So based on the foregoing, my people, I'm here to tell you that all these sites are fake. They are very, very fake. Because They are using your time to earn money from adverts. It is just unfortunate that they are not being sincere. So don't waste your time. A lot of people have reached out to me that have I seen the money. I said, me, I'm waiting. I know that I've seen a lot of people that have said it is a scam, but me, I just wanted to see for my own self so that I can come and tell people with proof that it is a scam. It is a scam. Now, if you registered on this site through my videos and you have a legitimate business, because a lot of you that have been coming to me like, oh, what is the update, is there update? And I've said it in a lot of my live stream that, look, these things, I'm really not interested in all of these things, because most of the times they are usually scams. And in situations where they are not scams or where people actually get paid and it's a Ponzi, it is the first set of people to enter inside that get their money out. Even the Nigerian versions and all of that, most of them ended up being scams. Now, if you want to earn money online, I've done a video before. I've told you guys, you either earn money through content creation, right? Or you earn money through promoting your business on social media. If you have handwork, you have a skill, you have what you are doing, that is how you can make money online. Okay, so if you registered through this platform, what we are going to do, put the link to your, what's it called, to your business pages on this video. Just comment with the link. If you're on Instagram, if you're on TikTok, comment the link. Okay, what we can do, if there's update I can give you guys, I can show you how you can market your business online. Okay, I can do that for you. Okay, just put your businesses in the comment section, all right, so we can review it and now show you how you can use social media, how you can leverage social media to get more customers. That's an update that I can give to you. Secondly, if you want to make money through content creation, I have different YouTube channels that have made money over the years. I actually have a course on how you can start your YouTube channel, how you can begin to earn money on YouTube. That is an update that I can give you. And if you are willing to work it, it's not get rich scheme. You're not going to get rich immediately, but you can actually make money that you see in your account at the end of the month. You understand? I'm going to open the course. I closed it out. I'm going to open it. If you register through my platform, I'm going to make it subsidized for the next throughout this year. Okay, I'm just going to reduce the amount and you can buy it and learn how to get started. I'm going to put a video where I did an unboxing from one of my students in this place, so you know that it's not a scam. There are people who started from zero, they now have YouTube channels that are earning them money. Okay, but you see, I also did another video of a platform where you can earn money. If you are still interested, because I've told a lot of people that this thing is a scam, they'll still be asking me which other platform. I'm like, you people don't learn anyway. But excuse me, I did a video about a platform that is legit. I'm going to put it in the description box. Okay, so I'm putting how many sites now, about 3 or 4, to my course on how to get started on YouTube step by step. I also have how to edit videos, okay, because these are skills that you need. If you know how to edit videos, once you know how to use social media, to all these platforms, most of them is a lie. There's no money. There are some platforms where you can do referrals, and I think I said it the first video that I did, that the money you can make is in referring. Okay, there are platforms, I've had a couple of platforms that I just don't talk about it, okay, because I don't want to really make my platform about that you can refer people and earn some money in Nigeria. It's not all this one that they'll say watch video. So if you are not somebody that you can actually get people, that you have people that can join the platforms and you will see your money, don't bother. But if you know that you can refer people, okay, leave a comment in the comment section and say, please do a video on the platforms that you can refer people to make money. Now, the money is not much, 100 naira here, 200 naira here. I don't know if that's going to solve your problem, but if it's going to solve your problem, just leave a comment and I'll do maybe like a roundup video on 5 or 10 platforms that you can refer people and actually make money in Nigeria. But if I see up to 5, 6, 7, 8 comments, I will do that video. If it's not up to that, I won't bother. I'll leave it. Okay. Yeah. So in conclusion, Brown app is a scam. Okay. Is a scam. As at 17th of December, after 1 month of them saying they were going to send me money, I didn't see the money, so it's a scam. I can categorically tell you that it is a scam. All right, but I've said that if you have a business, you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel to earn money, I am going to open my course. It is subsidized. I think I've forgotten how much I was charging before, but I'm going to make it 2K. So yeah, between now and January 1st, you can buy it for 2,000 naira on seller. I'm going to put the link there. So I'm giving it at a discount, so it's not a lot of money. So if you want to learn how you can start your own YouTube channel from scratch and begin to make money on YouTube, I'm going to open it up for 2,000 naira. You can get it. Secondly, what was the thing? The other video that I did on other platforms that you can make money, I'm going to put it there. So I wish you all the best and do have a Merry Christmas. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. All right, bye.